Giant burial pits have been dug in the Black Hills of South Dakota for cattle lost in a surprise snowstorm 10 days ago. As many as 100,000 head are feared dead, and financial losses may be as high as $125 million. The federal government shutdown has only made things worse. Manuel Bojorquez talked to some of the ranchers.
Nothing could prepare Scott Reeder and his wife Angela for what the melting snow has revealed.
So there are parts out there where there were dead cows as far as the eye could see?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. What was that like to see?
After a while, you almost get numb. You know, you come upon another one, and you come upon another one.
We just, we embraced and we just wept. What can you do?
South Dakota's cattle were still in summer pastures when the blizzard hit. They had not grown out their winter coats. The animals were fully exposed to blinding snow and 70-mile-per-hour winds. Some wandered for miles before collapsing and suffocating in snowdrifts.
The day after the storm, I started counting cattle that were dead of ours, and I got sick to my stomach.
These tags belonged to the 200 animals Reeder lost. That's nearly half his herd. Other ranchers lost everything.
My biggest fear is that people that lost livestock won't be able to recover. You pray for them and you hope that they get guidance and have the ability to dig out of that, but that's a big hole.
Ranchers can't report their losses to the Agriculture Department because government offices are closed, and relief programs that might offer help are part of a farm bill that has been delayed by congressional gridlock.
It affects not only the ranchers, but it affects the business people. It's just such a large trickle effect. It's going to be seen for a long time to come in this area.
As devastating as this is here, consumers probably will not see a big increase in beef prices because South Dakota provides only a fraction of the nation's supply. But Scott, the Reeder family's loss already exceeds $250,000.
Manuel, thanks.